Yeah! I'm bringing back all the good dances from the mid to late 90s. Is that one that's from? I'm not really even sure, but whatever. Welcome, friends, old and new. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I'm SB Mitch, the self-proclaimed best bad sneaker YouTuber. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. Add a .com to that. Visit that site today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's where you can find all the shoes that we're pulling out of this box today for sale, because that's how these things work. Hi, pals. Like I literally just said, these shoes are going to be for sale on my website today at 6. Any of the worn pairs are always cleaned and disinfected with my absolute favorite sneaker cleaning product on the market, Reshoevn8er. See what I'm doing here? Yeah. You can use my code SBMitch10 on Reshoevn8er.com to save yourself 10% off of your order for all your sneaker beautification and disinfecting needs. Anywho, this box is from Sole Supremacy, just like every other box that we open. This is the third most expensive box I've ever opened. This one, no wait, yeah, is that right? Yeah, I think that is right. I'm not even 100% sure. But yeah, this box was $1,650 plus $40 to ship it here to beautiful Chicago, Illinois. So my Aunt Bernice had just dropped a bomb, much like the numerous bombs that Frank Thomas would hit into the night sky above Comiskey Park in the 1990s, about actually knowing Tom from the local Jewel Asco who helped me with my predicament. So you could imagine my shock when the random guy who's eating all those Italian beefs with my brothers stops what he's doing, looks up at us, and says, "How did you guys know my name? My name is Tom Skibinski." Whoa. So many layers in this absurd story. For a grand total of $1,690. Hey, these boxes are priced by Sole Supremacy under market, so there's a really good chance to make some money. So go ahead and follow along with the counter. Its name is Clarence. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market, GOAT, eBay, the other one, things like that. And then we're gonna break it down at the end of the video to show you how much the actual box is worth versus how much I paid, because we want to be making money off of these boxes. So let's open this thing up, see what's inside. Oh, I grabbed my crappy knife cutter. Oh well, whatever. Boxes seem to have turned the corner, which is very exciting. Probably like maybe a month and a half before people start shopping for holiday gifts. That's when boxes get really good, because people start selling all their collections so they have money to get stuff for their family and friends. Fine by me, you're not gonna hear me complain about it. I mean, at least the last 2 years, that's been the trend, so we shall see. This box is really expensive, so I'm hoping we get some good stuff in here. Ooh, a lot of loose shoes. That's kind of a bummer. But it looks like there's a lot of shoes in here, so that's cool. All right, so let's grab this first one out. Ooh, there is a Nike SB box. So this first one, it's a FOAMPOSITE. Yeah, these have to be worn. Okay, so it is a size 7.5 FOAMPOSITE. I forget the name of these. Man, these are a pretty recent release too. I forget the name, but it's like this iridescent upper. These are kind of cool looking in hand. I don't really like foams because they're super clunky, but these are like barely worn. I'm having a hard time telling if they're DS or just tried on or who knows, but it's a 7.5. It's a FOAMPOSITE. Don't know the value on these. I know the retail on FOAMPOSITEs is kind of high, but they're expensive to make. So there's your first shoe out. Pair of FOAMPOSITEs in 7.5. I open all these boxes blindly, so there's gonna be times where I don't know the names of some shoes. And that's why I put them on the screen for you, so you can know. This next pair is looks like a tried on or maybe dead stock pair. I don't know. It's a Trail Hue. It's a collaboration with Pharrell Williams. This is a size US 11. I think this is one of the Hue HOLI packs. This is the, I don't know the name of this one. It looks kind of like cotton candy, but I mean, there's no wear on the bottoms. There are secondary laces inside of the right shoe. I don't know what that means, but they're not attached. So, I mean, these are probably tried on condition, I guess if that's a condition, but yeah, whatever. It says Species on the left foot, so good thing I put it upside down so you can see it. But yeah, these are either dead stock or tried on or something, so I mean, that's not bad, just no box. So, size 11, Trail Hue. I think this is from the HOLI pack. I'm not 100% sure. There you go. Not bad loosies. Let's grab something fun. Let's get something fun early. So this is a Yeezy Boost 700 in a size 10.5 with the very first Yeezy box I've ever seen that's damaged. It's probably still past StockX. Hey-oh! hey, these are dead stock. This is the Salt colorway in the 700. Interesting. I've never seen these. Probably a good thing. 700s kind of brought dad shoes back into relevance, so I don't know what to think of these. This is a weird colorway. I don't know of any Salt that's green, so how these are called Salt is beyond me. But there you go, they're dead stock and it's a size 10.5 with a damaged box. Huh, interesting. This is an Air Jordan something. It's a size 11, it says FOAMPOSITE Big Bang, so that might be what it is. That is exactly what it is. Are these DS too? So this is the Big Bang FOAMPOSITE that came out like this year, like early this year, like February, I think. These were a huge hit because they definitely have Galaxy FOAMPOSITE vibes, which is arguably one of the best FOAMPOSITEs of all time. These are actually pretty slick in hand. Yeah, these are unworn. At least I think so. There's no wear on the bottoms. Interesting. Just a replacement box. I don't know why. Maybe the box got damaged, or maybe this was an early pair, because a lot of early pairs don't get boxes. So size 11, Big Bang FOAMPOSITEs. Huh. 4 shoes and 2 of them been FOAMPOSITEs so far. That's pretty weird. So this is a very obvious box, what it is. It's a Jordan 11. You can see the gray on it. This is the Air Jordan 11 retro cool gray colorway from like 2010, I think. Ooh, baby. These are worn, but very lightly. There you go. It's a size, what'd I say, 10.5. Cool gray 11. 2010, I think, was when these were released. Got the original inserts, so that's pretty awesome. How's the condition? So you can see the insole is, the Jumpman is completely worn off on the insole. This is just a classic colorway, and these are super lightly worn. The outsole is, of course, discolored. I mean, it's a almost 10-year-old shoe, so it's gonna happen, but these are really nice. Pretty good condition too. Comes with the original box and the original inserts too, which is very rare to see nowadays. There you go, 10.5, cool gray 11s. Very nice condition. Cool. This box is fun. This box is good so far. Let's keep going. There's like four more in here. So I'm going to take this because there's definitely no box top on it. Just a nondescript box. Look at that. Well, you can see what's in it. Woo! This is a good one. This is from 2009. This is the Air Jordan 1 Celtics from the Defining Moments pack that include the Boston Celtics colorway, which is this, and the Chicago Bulls colorway, which I have a pair of. These are size 10, so it's a very good size. You can see Jumpman is in there. I don't know if you can see it. It's green on black, so it's tough to see. These are very lightly worn. These are in great shape. Just a little bit of toe box creasing right there. A little bit of wear on the bottoms. How's the stars? Little tiny bit of star loss and a very small amount of heel drag, but overall, these are in great shape. This is such an awesome colorway. It's basically like a black toe, but with green instead of red. So, and the swoosh is also a nubuck, which is a big difference. So these are not at all like black toe ones. Awesome pair. There you go. Original half box, size 10. Jordan 1 DMP Celtics. Remember, kids, it's not DMP pack, just DMP. You don't say Defining Moments pack. Let's do this SB, because I think SBs are fun. So we have a purple box era SB. This is a size 9.5 Dunk High Premium SB. Chrome Varsity Red. These might be the MORK and MINDYs. I was right, which doesn't happen very often. These are in great shape too, holy cow. This is the Dunk High SB MORK and MINDY colorway. Grabs the colorway from the very famous show from the 1970s, Nenu Nenu. These are really cool. It's all red leather upper, this like chrome side paneling, and the swoosh. Transparent outsole, interesting colorway. Very lightly worn, and it comes with the secondary laces. Yeah, these just need a quick cleanup and they'll be good to go. There's like hardly any wear on these. Nice, that's a really good get. Size 9.5. MORK and MINDY Dunk High Pro. These are from like 2005, 2006, no, like 2006 to 2008 area. I don't know what they go for because the SB market has just kind of boomed over the last year. Fun. We got a YEEZY and a Jordan 1 first. Obviously, I'm gonna grab the YEEZY first. It's a size 9.5 YEEZY Boost 350 V2. It's a worn pair, very good shape still. This is the BRED colorway. It's a size 9.5. The writing on the inside is pretty much still all there, which is a very good sign. It comes off really easily though, so I mean, you wear these 5 times with socks and they're gone basically, so yeah. These were supposed to restock according to YEEZY Mafia, and they didn't because YEEZY Mafia is usually wrong, so big shock there. Yeah, just a little bit of discoloration on the boost, more prominent on the right sneaker. Yeah, it's a kind of a huge difference. Look at the right sneaker versus the left one. That's kind of weird. Very little amount of heel drag. These are in great shape, cool. Size 9.5 is a great size too. BRED V2, great box, holy cow. Got one more in here, 6.5 youth. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG GS. Yes, it is a very good one. These are lightly worn. It's not the 2015s, but that's okay. This is the 2012 release of the Chicago Air Jordan 1. Grade school size, 6.5. A little bit of star loss right on the tip of the toe right there. A little bit of heel drag going on there. Some creasing on the vamp, which is gonna happen, but these are in overall great shape. A little bit of insole wear, some sock lint, which is fun to clean up. So there's your last shoe, a 6.5 youth Jordan 1 Chicago. Wow, this box is very good. But is it $1,650 good? I don't know, but let's go ahead and give it a grade. Grade time, y'all. 3 categories: condition, sizes, value. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9 pairs of sneakers in this $1,650 Sole Supremacy beater box, and I think 3 of them are dead stock. I checked those foams. There's definitely some foot imprints on the insole. 2 of them have no box. 1 of them has a replacement box, but it's those Big Bang foams. Condition, we're gonna say a B+. Sizes, we have 7.5, 11, 11, 10.5, 10.5 again, 10, 9.5, 9.5, and 6.5 youth. Good sizes. I can't complain about this at all. Sizes, we're gonna say A. Value on this box, $1,650. Pretty good value, and I think these are all gonna be really easy to move, so value on this box is pretty solid. We'll say about an A-. So with the grade of B+ for condition, the grade of A for sizes, and the grade of A- for value, this $1,650 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of A-. So I graded this box out as an A- kind of box. My kind of box. Let's see how much money we're gonna make.
Big down!
This box is real good. Big fan of this entire box. Sometimes I get boxes like this and it makes me less afraid to buy those high ticket boxes. So appreciate you taking the time to watch. If you're interested in any of these shoes, they will be available on my website today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that website is ransomnotesneakers.com. What else is happening soon? Oh, collection video. The collection video is going to be on October 31st, which is Halloween. After that, you can see my updated collection. We're probably gonna do a Brick 66 run here pretty soon because I just have too much stuff. If you don't know what Brick 66 is, it's something I do on eBay. It's the only thing I use eBay for because eBay is a festering cesspool of idiocy and dumb questions, so I try to avoid it as much as possible. Yeah, I think that's really all I got for you today, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Tune in next week to find out which shoe we're gonna be cleaning with Reshoevn8or products because that's a thing that I'm doing now. And yeah, till then, take care of each other, don't ruin it for everybody else, and I'll see you soon. Bye! I'm not really, I'm pointing to my light. There we go. Bye!